Let's start our system with Adele user. She's a common user that can do some requests. How you can see, this is some request that she already did. Then you can see the column status, show us the different stats from different requests. If you want to create a new one, just click on new button and fill the fields. Then how we can see, the important field here is estimated cost. Once that will redirect for different approvers, depend on the value. If the bigger than 500, then we will have one flow. If we have smaller than 500, the flow will redirect to different approval. Then the other field important is the status one. We can't edit that. This is just control from workflow. Then click on save, and this item will show to us in the list. Then as you can see, in the first moment, the status is not started. Then if you refresh this page, as you can see, the status changed automatically. This happened because the workflow worked in background. Then he changed for us the status and sent to the next step from approval. Then the manager approval probably received that to be approved. One thing that's important too, if you try to open to edit this item, you can see that's not possible because we just block that. Okay, let's go to do a new one with the value smaller than 500. Let's refresh the page. And we can see here the different stats from both. The first one, because the value go to the manager, and the second one go to the finance group.